Hey guys, in this video, you're going to learn how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026. So this gives you a joystick so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You get all these settings, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, we have all the settings in here, so this is super cool. So we got like joystick, map, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it, so let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we can turn on the joystick, which is obviously going to let you walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You have the bar on the right side of the screen. So to download it, all you have to do is go to the website spooferlab.com. So once you're here, guys, it's going to have a button that says inject spoofer. So just go ahead and press that. So it's basically going to ask you for like your trainer ID and then your operating system. So to find the trainer ID, just go to your profile and then go to the friends area, and then it will show you your code. So you just go ahead and copy that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the website, paste that in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and select my platform, and then I'm going to press continue. And then before this loads, it will ask you if you want like the full edition or the custom, but there may be like a high traffic verification that you have to do, but I already did it. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the full one. So as you can see, it's loading. So let's just give it a minute for this to load. As you can see, all right, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So as you can see, it says like initializing. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it's loading up. So we're just going to let it do its thing. Awaiting verification. So this is the part where it's going to take you to the page. So you just want to go ahead and press verify now. And since I already did the verification, it's probably going to verify me. So let's see if it works. And it should come through. So let's see what happens. And it's brought me to the page. Import successful. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. I hope you guys enjoy the video, but that's how to get Spoofer for your device. There's so many settings in here, guys. It's super cool. So as you can see, we have all the options. There's so many things. You can do random route, which is pretty cool. It's very advanced. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Peace out.